Well, a young man could be cleared of charges from a quadruple killing at a Detroit drug house with the help of a convicted hitman. The young man, who is now 20, along with his family, are holding out hope that despite a false confession, justice will prevail. Devontae Sanford was only 14 when he told police he was responsible for shooting and killing 4 people in a Detroit drug house in 2007. He's been locked up for 6 years, but now convicted hitman Vincent Smothers could give testimony that may clear Sanford. His attorney told us Smothers confessed to the Runyon Street murders that Sanford took the blame for, but police didn't seem interested because the case in their minds was already closed.
We already got someone on that case. And Vincent said, well, I don't know who you got. You got the wrong person, because then he had confessed to it.
The State Appellate Defender's Office is representing Sanford, and the deputy director says they're excited about Devontae having the opportunity to show he's innocent.
He didn't allow people to testify. He didn't allow evidence to be put on, and so the Court of Appeals said, look, you have to do this now.
Sanford's attorney says he only cooperated with police to please them back in 2007, and he eventually pleaded guilty to second-degree murder. Murders Vincent insists he committed.
Vincent doesn't feel he shouldn't have been charged. Vincent knows that that man had nothing to do with the killing.
Today, a 3-judge panel said Smothers should be allowed to testify, and the appeals panel also ordered the trial judge to hear testimony from Smothers' attorney. Sanford's mother got that news today.
Brought so much victory and hope for me because I've been waiting on this for so long.
We had to put more faith in God. It ain't about the system. It was more so about God and us leaning on what God can do versus on leaning on what we think people can do.
The 3-judge panel made no finding about Sanford's guilt or innocence or whether he can rescind his plea. The prosecutor has 56 days to determine how they want to proceed with this case. Meantime, Smothers, the hitman, continues to serve 50 to 100 years behind bars for being a gun for hire. Stephen?